Let's dive in and see how we can exactly make AI work for you when it comes to submitting a cover letter. Hey everyone, Sanya here. मेरा quick introduction उन सब के लिए जो नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे. I have over 5 years of corporate experience working with both local and international clients such as from the USA, Australia and the Middle East. I've also freelanced for over 2 years with one of the largest job sites Bait.com and I've polished thousands of resumes and cover letters of people from varying industries. ये मेरी second video है professional development series में जिसमें मैं आप सबको guide कर रही हूँ top resume, cover letter and interview tips and techniques पर. So you're set on your journey for career success. These tips are already proven to be successful and these are in line with the industry norms. So आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं लेकिन उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लें फॉर नोटिफिकेशंस ऑफ ऑल अपकमिंग वीडियोस. अगर आप लोग मेरी प्रोफेशनल CV एंड कवर लेटर रिव्यू एंड ड्राफ्टिंग सर्विसेज अवेल करना चाहते हैं देन यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन द ईमेल मेंशन. लेट्स फिगर आउट हाउ वी कैन हेल्प यू गेट दैट ड्रीम जॉब एंड रियली एक्सेल इन योर करियर. एनीवे लेट्स गेट बैक टू द वीडियो फॉर नाउ एंड कीप ऑन वॉचिंग टिल द एंड फॉर सम बोनस टिप्स. मैंने ये सीरीज स्पेसिफिकली फ्रेश ग्रेड्स के लिए डिज़ाइन की है बिकॉज आई नो दैट राइट नाउ इन 2024 द जॉब मार्केट इज़ नॉट ईजी एट ऑल. In fact, this is one of the most challenging times one can experience as a job seeker, and therefore, it is very difficult for a young person with little to no experience to penetrate into this market. And this is exactly why I'm here. I've already compiled a detailed video on top resume writing tips. You can check the video here if you want. मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी लिंक ऐड कर दूंगी. सो रिज्यूमे वाली वीडियो के बाद हम एक स्टेप आगे जा रहे हैं एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द कवर लेटर विच इज़ अ रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर मोस्ट एप्लीकेशंस इफ नॉट ऑल. Trust me, I know the feeling when you're filling out a job application and you see that checkbox or requirement for submitting a cover letter and you go like, यार क्या मुसीबत है अब इसको भी लिखना पड़ेगा. It's frustrating. I know. So you're pretty much staring on a blank Word document and you're thinking, oh, I have to do this from scratch. Where do I even start from? पहले लोग क्या करते थे? They would go on the internet and they would search for cover letter templates, which does provide you some sort of a structure, but it doesn't really click because number one, everybody else is using these templates, so your application won't stand out, and number two, these are old fashioned, so these styles are outdated and not considered the best practice anymore. So now if you're using one of these templates, there are high chances that your application will not pass the ATS. अच्छा जी, तो करना क्या है? If you are a job seeker in today's market, then you need to be using AI or artificial intelligence for your benefit. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to draft the perfect cover letter customized to you. सुनने में आपको बहुत फन एंड कूल लगेगा, इससे आपका टाइम भी काफ़ी बच जाएगा, बट देर आर सर्टन की पॉइंट्स दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड व्हाइल यूजिंग दीज AI टूल्स फॉर योर जॉब एप्लीकेशंस. इसमें से आने वाला कोई भी आउटपुट आप डायरेक्टली कॉपी पेस्ट करके सबमिट नहीं कर सकते. इट्स अ बिग नो. बट वॉट यू हैव टू डू इज टू वर्क विद दीज AI टूल्स इन लेयर्स और स्टेप्स. It is almost doing 70% of your work, but then you have to take out the time to do the remaining 30% yourself. So let's dive in and see how we can exactly make AI work for you when it comes to submitting a cover letter. You simply need three things to begin with: the job description of the job that you're applying for, a copy of your updated resume, and the access to the AI tool, in our case, ChatGPT. So once you have these three things set, let's look at the steps to draft a cover letter. So I'm taking this job description at Foodpanda as a sample. Step number one, I would head over to ChatGPT and give it the following prompt. I want to know more about a company called Foodpanda based in Pakistan. Please mention its mission and values. Within less than 30 seconds, AI will generate a response for you. इस स्टेप से दो फ़ायदे हो रहे हैं. एक तो आपका टाइम बच रहा है, बजाय कि आप खुद कंपनी की वेबसाइट पे जाएं और डिफरेंट पेजेस स्क्रॉल करें कंपनी की मिशन और वैल्यू समझने के लिए. AI इज़ डूइंग इट फॉर यू. Secondly, with this prompt, you are setting the base of your conversation with AI and kind of letting it know about what is to come. Kind of उसकी memory build कर रहे हैं. Step number 2. Now you will head over to the job description and copy it. Then you will go back to ChatGPT and give it the following prompt. Write a cover letter based on the following job description for a job at Foodpanda Pakistan. Make sure to align it to the company's values and mission. The job title is Business Manager. Now I want my cover letter to be persuasive and results driven, so I will also include that in the prompt. And then I will paste the job description and hit enter. Now the output that I got is very detailed, but it is generic. It is not about you, it is just about the job. क्योंकि अभी तक ChatGPT को आपके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. So we need to fix that. Let's do that in step 3. Step 3. Now you will go to your resume and copy the entire experience. Then go to ChatGPT and give it the following prompt. Modify this cover letter to include my below listed work experience. And then paste your experience. Now this is better, but it is still not it. मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगी कि आप इसको फर्दर रिफाइन करें and make it sound more like you. And here's an example prompt that you can use. So step number 4, you will go to ChatGPT and ask the following prompt. Rewrite this cover letter to sound more natural. Use specific examples from my experience to showcase how my past work has helped businesses solve challenges. The first paragraph should empathize with the recruiter and establish how I'm an ideal candidate for this role. Include an interesting hook in the first paragraph to grab the recruiter's attention. Paragraph 2 should highlight my organizational skills and should be of max 90 words. Paragraph 3 should highlight my analytical skills and should have 90 words. Keep paragraph 4 simple and express my interest in appearing for an interview. It must have a clear call to action. Use business appropriate humor and quantifiable data. Now, this is a compelling and results oriented cover letter generated by AI, which is also customized to you. This is probably something you can use. लेकिन मैं फिर भी इसको 2 से 3 दफ़ा प्रूफ रीड करूँगी और चेंजेस करूँगी जहाँ भी ज़रूरी लगे. And this is it. Follow these exact steps. You can obviously play around with the prompts to suit yourself to write the perfect cover letter in the least amount of time. क्योंकि आप लोगों ने वीडियो के एंड तक स्टिक किया है तो मैं आप लोगों को कुछ बोनस टिप्स लाजमी देना चाहती हूँ. कभी भी कवर लेटर को जेनेरिक एड्रेस ना करें. Try to avoid writing dear sir or madam or dear hiring manager. Try to address it to the person who is hiring for this position. या आपको LinkedIn से पता चल सकता है. और at least address it to the department which is hiring for this position. For example, to the marketing department. अगर आप लोग को एक दफ़ा डिपार्टमेंट का नाम पता चल गया तो आप डिपार्टमेंट हेड को भी एड्रेस कर सकते हैं बिकॉज ही और शी इज़ मोस्ट प्रोबेबली द पर्सन हु हैज़ द फाइनल से इन द रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस. दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो. आई कैच यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. वंस अगेन, अगर आप लोग मेरी प्रोफेशनल रिज्यूमे एंड कवर लेटर रिव्यू एंड ड्राफ्टिंग सर्विसेज अवेल करना चाहते हैं देन यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन द ईमेल मेंशन्ड. Do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. There's a lot of content coming up in the professional development series. Bye for now.